already taken that for granted. Second, as a data and browsing platform and computation platform, which is what everybody's excited about now. And then the third, what about a serendipity platform? What about your phone helping you learn new things and meet new people you would not otherwise? That is the future of the platform that we are all building together. So this idea is not a new idea. Bill Gates in 1990 said the following: information at your fingertips, all the information that someone might be interested in, including information they can't even get today. What happened over 20 years? We had to build it out. The vision was correct, but we had to build the operating systems, the programming languages, the browser platforms, the underlying networking connectivity, all the various underlying wireless encryption protocols and distribution protocols, the cellular network, the roaming charges, the roaming business structures, and so forth and so on. So all of a sudden now, with your phone, why can't, when my phone, and I'm in traffic and I'm trying to figure out where I'm trying to go and I have a choice of bridge or tunnel or this path or that path, why is my phone not talking to my friend's phone and trying to figure out what route they took and whether it was faster? I'll give you another example. Why is my phone not able to do something really important, which is telemetry of monitoring people who are ill? Wouldn't it be better to have your phone be taking care of your health? Think about it. It's there all the time. It's always on, and it might as well monitor your blood pressure. And indeed, there are people operating on that sorry about the pun, to make that sort of stuff happen. Even more importantly, because these things are unified now, we can do something which is startling when you look at it. We can take devices, and in mid-use, because it's cloud-based, you can substitute another device. So, for example, with our book product, this is true of others as well. You're busy reading a page. Somehow the phone breaks or what have you. Switch to a different device, either a PC or there you are on the same page because it's all cloud resident. So all of a sudden you have this agility, you have this ability that nobody else could do. So you really can do magic. Google Translate, the ability to talk to your phone and have it come out on the other end in Spanish. And it's funny that you sit there and you think, we've talked at length about universal translation, and yet here it is, it's just arrived because of the combination of the phone, the network, and all those computers. The phone just takes your voice, the network just delivers the voice in encrypted or digitized form, and the supercomputer that's in the cloud does the appropriate video and voice recognition, the translation, the voice generation, and out it comes back the other way. And that's done in, a 20th of a second or what have you. So all of a sudden, you can be anybody you want in terms of your ability to speak a language. You can, if you have trained in CPR, right, you can tell a location-based app to notify when your help is needed, and you can go off and help save a life. Start thinking about the implications of that level of smartness, location dependency, and again, with your permission, sharing of information with your friends. What I thought I would do is take a minute and show a demo of some of the things that you can do that might not be obvious. And I thought I'd ask one of our Google executives, Gil, to come and join us. Gil, where are you? Can you join us? There he is, Gil. And maybe you have actually developed an interesting application on an interesting new device. Maybe you want to show this device.
I'd love to. Thank you, Eric. Good afternoon, everyone. In the last couple of days, I've been taking a tour of historical landmarks of Barcelona. I used my Nexus S to take a few photos, record a few video clips, which I then uploaded to my Picasa account. Now, Nexus S is a great device for using it around town. It's light, fits in my pocket. But when I get home or to my hotel room, I would love to use a different form factor. For me, the new Motorola Zoom tablet is a great delivery device for media. Now, these new devices are great not only for consuming media, but also creating it. With the advent of 4G networks, users will be enabled to use high-quality video over wireless networks like never before. Today, I'm going to demonstrate for you Movie Studio, a new Android application which allows users to edit videos. It's an application built from the ground up for the tablet form factor. So let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to open Movie Studio. You're going to see that I have here a few projects that I've been working on, and I prepared a project for the purpose of this demo. Now, in this project, I already imported 3 images and 1 video clip. As you can probably tell, on the first image, I already added a title that says that I've pretty much enjoyed my trip back in time in Barcelona. What I would like to show you is some of the customizations you can bring to Movie Studio to fit your artistic ability. So one of the things we can do is we can reorder these media items in the movie timeline. How about I grab this nice picture of the National Palace and move it right after the first picture. I really like this one, so let's take a quick look at it and add a special effect to it. How about a pan and zoom effect? So I'll select pan and zoom. Now I have the ability to change independently the start and the end rectangle. So let's leave the start where it is. And for and, maybe I'll just do a little bit of zoom just for the effect. There we go. I could customize this project in many other ways. I can change the duration of images in the timeline. I could trim the beginning or end of video clips. I can add color effects to my photos and to my video clips. Now let's look towards the end of the movie. This is a video clip I took. I don't want my movie to end this abruptly, and therefore I was thinking a nice fade to black transition will look good at the end. So let's select that. And my movie is almost done, but I think something is missing. I know. I think a nice background audio track would make this movie interesting, so I believe that it would be appropriate to select some Spanish guitar tune. So I'll import that into my movie. And we are ready to preview this movie now. Okay. That will give you an idea of how the movie will look like. How about, let's watch that transition at the end. Good. I'm happy with that. Now, once you have the movie set up the way you want it, how about we'll export this movie, make it a real movie, and we'll select the movie size. So we'll make it 720p, and the quality, let's say high, and export it. Now, I'm not going to export this now. It would take a little bit of time, and we don't have that. How about we'll export this movie, make it a real movie, and we'll select the movie size. So we'll make it 720p, and the quality, let's say high, and export it. Now, I'm not going to export this now. It would take a little bit of time, and we don't have that now. So I already did that before this demo. And I'm ready now to share this movie with my friends on YouTube. I'm going to select that I want to share it on YouTube. Let's just call it Barcelona 2011. How appropriate. And there you go. The upload has started. Now, I hope I get happy here with my network connection in a second. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch to YouTube. And we're going to look at my channel where I usually see my downloads. Let's just wait a little bit.
And we should mention, by the way, that this is the new Honeycomb operating system.
It sure is. And I hope everyone will enjoy the new Honeycomb release on the Zoom tablet. This is the part where we have to be
Yes, this is the problem of having a networking convention. Everyone is on the network, including the special networks.
That's right. Any minute now. I think they will just have to trust me that the movie's there.
This is a Google engineer saying, trust me.
Either way, the movie's public, so they can enjoy it on YouTube after the show.
You can see it on YouTube.
That's right. I hope you enjoyed this short run-through to the features of Movie Studio. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Gil Dobzhansky. Thank you very much, Gil.
Yes, sir.
So I wanted to show you that because I wanted to give you a sense of the power of the world that we're seeing, again, all in this particular case on a new and upcoming tablet on top of the Android platform. And when you play with Honeycomb, you'll see the sense of